Hello everyone. Welcome to this brand new training where I'll discuss on how to start or grow a super profitable online coaching and consulting business by fixing three common yet unknown mistakes. My team and I have prepared this video lesson where I'll talk about some of the biggest mistakes coaches and consultants make because of which they are not able to attract the right quality of leads. Are you a coach, consultant, or a service provider who has a killer product but struggling to get sales? If you're concerned about getting customers, I guarantee you that by the end of the video, you'll learn the secrets of generating the right quality of leads for your business. So, are you ready? This is almost a half an hour presentation, so we recommend you to complete it in a single go to take the maximum benefits from it. We are digital coaching business. In the past 2 years alone, we have already helped more than 500 coaches, trainers, and business owners to generate a consistent number of clients for their programs, unique system. We have managed paid ads worth multiple crores for our clients in different advertising platforms such as Facebook, Google Ads, YouTube Ads. We have trained more than 5,000 students in our live workshops. Most of them are running their successful campaigns today. Most of our clients are making at least 3 lakhs in monthly profits. So, who am I? Hey, this is Pankaj Agarwal. I'm a digital marketer, founder of digital coaching business, and I've been helping coaches and consultants to run a profitable digital coaching business online with almost a 100% success rate. How about starting with some success stories first? Meet Shalini Jha. She's a handwriting trainer and a graphologist. She joined us after her handwriting training institute was closed due to COVID. At that time, her institute was closed, so her income was literally zero. She came to us for help. Within 3 months of her working with us, she crossed 4,32,000 in net profits. And within 1 year of joining, she hit her first 10 lakhs in monthly sales. Here's a screenshot from her payment gateway InstaMojo. And now let's hear the same thing from her.
So I have come to say a big heartfelt thank you to Pankajji. Thank you, Pankajji, so much. Because of you, whatever we have decided and now we have achieved it. And let me tell all of you that Pankajji is a person, you know, I am the first client of Pankajji, but let me tell you, he is a very, very honest person. And that is something, that actually helped me to take the decision to work with this person. Whatever he says, he achieves, he helps you achieve that. Okay. A few months back, I told him, Pankajji, I want to achieve 10 lakhs per month. And let me tell you, I have achieved it today. And that's the reason I have made this video personally for Pankajji to say him thank you, a heartfelt thank you and a gratitude.
All right, now let's move on to the success story of Mr. Akanshu Srivastava. He's a TEDx speaker and a parenting coach. When he joined us, he was working in a 9 to 5 job. He started his journey with us as a parenting coach, and within 7 months of working with us, he was able to replace his salary with his business revenue and was happily able to quit his job. Meet Mr. Abhijit. He's a music coach who is making 3 lakhs in consistent profit per month, teaching singing to his students. And he had already crossed 6 lakhs in net revenue in May 2021. Today he is doing the same consistently. Here's a screenshot from his Razorpay payment gateway. Are you excited to achieve the similar results? Before we discuss the crucial mistakes, let's discuss why digital marketing is important to get clients. Can you even think of a better way? I don't know, at least some key benefits of digital marketing. It's ridiculously inexpensive. It's fast to go online and reach your customers. You can get started within a day. You can get started in few hours as well. It depends. You can reach the entire world from the comfort of your home. Spend money only on ideal buyers. This is the best point which I like about digital marketing. For example, if you are uh, selling food for some dogs, right? With the help of digital marketing, you can show your ads to only the people who own a dog. You don't have to waste your money in showing and trying to sell your product to people who don't even own a dog, right? So that's the biggest benefit of digital marketing. Now coming to the future of coaching industry, coaching and consulting is a huge $340 billion per year industry and it's growing very very fast. People have spent $355 million on information every day. And Forbes have estimated it to reach billions of dollars per day. Do you want to be a part of it? Do you want to take the share from it? Yes, you can do it. There are millions of people who are buying coaching programs and hiring mentors to get their problems solved. All you need is a correct system to reach them. Why do people fail then? Because of the three mistakes which eats up their profit. Mistake number one, burning lots of money on different marketing courses and WhatsApp classes and learning almost nothing. Most of the trainers I've interacted with have spent lakhs of their hard-earned money in marketing courses and yet they're stuck. They're stuck for three reasons. Almost all of those courses which they enroll in are merely copy-pasted courses. Sometimes the trainer doesn't himself have the experience, but he's trying to teach the same thing to his students. Secondly, most of my clients are fantastic trainers, but they're not good at marketing. You cannot just learn from a course and become a marketing guru overnight. It takes years of experience, and you need to master hundreds of skills and tools such as copywriting, funnel building, audience research, running paid ads, and whatnot. It takes time, right? So, if you want to get started, what's the correct way? The simple solution to this is don't try to become a digital marketer yourself, right? What you need is a done for you service. Basically, look for a person or an agency who can handle the entire thing for you, right? Instead of learning the course for yourself. Mistake number two, relying on non dependable sources of leads. I bet you might have surely tried at least one of the following techniques to generate leads for your coaching business. You might have posted on Just Dial, India Mart, and all. You might have posted on WhatsApp, like WhatsApp stories, sending WhatsApp messages to each and every contact you have. You might have tried to get clients by word of mouth. You might have posted articles on LinkedIn. You might have tried to create social media content every time early in the morning, trying to post on Facebook, YouTube, everywhere you are trying to do posting, right? In a hope to get a few clients. You're posting in Facebook groups. That's good. You might have done. And you might have got a few clients as well. But we can't rely on those sources forever, right? Because the kind of reach we get from there is a limited number of reach. For example, let's say in your contacts, how many contacts do you have on your WhatsApp? Let's say 1,000, 2,000. What, how many more, right? So you will be reaching those same 2,000 people again and again and again. Out of those you might get two, three, four, five buyers initially, but you won't be getting more and more buyer every time, right? So your business is stuck. And secondly, if your friends are coming, they'll be asking for bargain. You won't be able to sell them at a premium price, the price which you want, right? So these methods literally don't work, and I assume you didn't get consistent results either. That's why you are here today, right? Mistake number 3, trying to chase high quality leads. There are so many trainers who are able to generate leads for their webinars, workshops, and one to one sales call and feel very happy about it. But the happiness turns upside down when they are not able to convert the same leads into a paying customer. Sometimes, not even a single one of them. They keep on changing the sales processes, ads, targeting, and whatnot, thinking that it will solve their problem. However, this doesn't work because they are not able to define the leads correctly. So, how do you define the quality of a lead? Well, here at Digital Coaching Business, we do not use the term high quality leads. Instead, we use the term correct leads. Correct leads is our way of generating clients. By using the correct combination of audience research, irresistible offer creation, system setup, lead generation, and effectively communicating the same so that they end up becoming your paying clients. One of the major secrets of marketing is to identify the correct leads for your business. This is where most digital marketing agencies fail. So, what's the summary? The summary is that lead generation is not enough. Today, almost anyone can generate leads, but making sure we reach the right people with the right message and at the right time is much more important for the success. This can happen only and only if you are able to generate the correct leads for your business. With our expertise, we are able to identify the best leads for your business and focus our marketing efforts on acquiring the correct leads that eventually converts into buyers. Meet Mr. Vivekanand Rayapeddi is the creator of Paperless Fluency, where he teaches how to speak English like your mother tongue. He knew that as a successful business owner, he should focus on his core skill, which was soft skills training, and outsource the marketing to an agency who could handle his end to end marketing. This way, he didn't have to worry about getting his clients for his coaching institute. All he had to do was to maintain the high quality standards for his training, and he had the time in the world for it because he didn't have to care about growing his business. The agency took care of it, right? He joined us 3 months back, and now within 3 months, he has acquired 50 plus students who are paying him rupees 10,000 each. Let's listen to him in his own words.
Hi, good morning. I am Dr. Vivekanand Rayapeti. I am a soft skills trainer. I designed and developed a unique module called Paperless Fluency. It is unique in its own way. And through this, professionals and the people who want to reach further new heights in their career can be benefited. Previously, prior to Corona lockdown, I used to take classes in my own campus in Dilshit Nagar, Hyderabad. So, in fact, I have had around 18 years above experience in training the people. But I was never interested to go on online classes, digital classes or online classes. But I was forced to take up online classes with the advent of this Corona lockdown. So I was forced to take online classes. Then after that, I have had different experiences. I tried with digital marketing agents, one after one. So in a practical way, if I have to say, I burnt my fingers. So before taking the services of Pankaj, I burnt my fingers previously with three, four agents. Those problems are very painful. The kind of experiences I had was very, very painful problems. Now, in fact, I don't want to remember those days also. So, in fact, I lost a lot of money, I lost mental peace, and I never got any suitable clients for my classes. So, I even almost lost hopes. I started feeling bad about myself. Oh, am I good at training or not? I started doubting myself. So thankfully, one fine day, I saw an ad in Facebook that is being given by Mr. Pankaj. But I told him, Baba, it is not my cup of tea. Even whatever best I try also at this age, I cannot learn how to give Facebook ads. So what you do is you be my consultant. You try to give ads on my behalf and you help me, and I will be focusing only on my profession. I will be focusing my time on taking classes and improving my module. So that only I can do, that only I am good at. Then onwards, our journey started. This is my third month with Mr. Pankaj, and he starts giving ad precisely in such a way that I am getting the right kind of target audience. I am getting the right kind of clients. So I take only professionals and the people who understand English and the people who are ready to buy the product without any second thought. Their buying capacity should be good. So these are certain things every trainer needs. Now I told him these things. These are the kind of profiles I want. So precisely on a day-to-day basis, it is happening. I am literally very happy. You people can depend on him. You people can trust him, and blindly you can go ahead taking up his services. All the best.
Will this work for your business? We have worked with clients across multiple industries. It has worked literally for almost all of them. I see no reason why it won't work for your business. Let's take a quick look at some of the businesses whom we have helped. Meet Mr. Venkat. He's an energy and healing coach. In just 3 months, he acquired more than 170 customers who were paying him 25,000 each. Here's Mr. Vaskar. He's a full-time stock trader. His goal was to create a team of full-time traders so that they can trade together and create a business out of it. He achieved his goal. Meet Mr. Rohit Gera. He was teaching 5 techniques to speak English with confidence to students and housewives. He was doing the same using 90 minutes free webinar. That was his business strategy. Meet Mr. Vikrant Subhas. He is a numerologist and a Vastu coach. He trains people on how to get success in life using the power of numbers and decoding their date of birth. He uses the strategy of paid workshops. You might know Mrs. Salini Jha. We discussed about her in the beginning. She is also running another business model where she is teaching people on how to become handwriting trainers, and this is her high ticket product. She does one-to-one calls with people and then pitches them their main product, which is worth of 50,000, and she is doing pretty good at it. Another client from stock market who is doing live webinars. She is a fitness trainer. She starts with 7 days free weight loss challenge and then pitches her membership where people pay her month on month to become her client and reach their weight loss goals. So why did I share the results? Just to show that it works for almost every other business. Now, do you need our help to achieve similar results? You have two choices now. Try it alone or work with experts. If you want to try it alone, I wish you all the best. You may close the webinar and keep on working, and may you achieve the success. But now, if you want to shorten the curve, if you want to learn from the experts who have already done it before, if you need our help to grow your coaching and consulting business, let's get on a call. Here's the link to book a free 30 minutes call with me. pankajagarwal.com/book a call. Who is this call for? This call is for business minded coaches and consultants who have an idea and a desire to start a business but haven't started it yet. This call is also for established businesses that are experiencing decline in sales or want to increase their existing sales. Regardless of whether you do or don't currently have a business, you have to be ready to commit doing the work. Businesses do not build themselves. This call works on a qualification basis. Who is this call not for? This call is not for people looking for a get rich quick scheme. It's not like you start today and tomorrow you hit the jackpot and become rich. No, if that is the thought process, this is not for you. It is not for people who are not willing to invest some time and energy into this. We are building a business. We need to put our time, money, and energy in it. This is not for people who are not willing to invest money into their business. It's called return on investment for a reason, right? If you put in some money, then only you'll get some money back, right? We are building a business, not a lottery system, something like that. So if you are among these categories, if you don't want to put the hard work of building a business, if you don't have patience, if you don't have money, if you don't have time, please don't book a call. What can you expect from this call? If you haven't made any sales yet, we'll discuss on the best strategy to start generating sales for your business. You must, however, have a value ladder of upsells, a high ticket product, or a membership offer. That is, you must have a product to sell Or maybe you can have multiple levels of offer. For example, basic level course, intermediate level course, high ticket course. You should have some good product basically worth selling, right? So that people would be happy to pay for and get their problem solved. If you have a running business already, we can work on a strategy to increase sales and revenue. So here's the link once again, pankajagarwal.com/book a call. While this call is free for you, it takes our time and investment to bring you into the call. So book your call only if you are serious about the business and if you are willing to show up live on the call. Thank you.